In AutoCAD, a line is a basic, single straight segment, while a polyline is a connected series of straight or curved segments treated as one object, allowing for properties like varying width, area calculation, and easier manipulation as a single entity. To use line command, type L, enter. Specify first point, click on drawing area. Move cursor to right. Set length 200, enter. Enter again to close. To create line with angle, type L, enter. Specify first point, click on drawing area. Move cursor to right. Set length 200. Press tab button, and set angle 45 degree, enter. Enter again to close. For practice, create line with length 200, to right. Create line with length 50 and angle 45 degree. Create line to top, with length 100. Create line to left, with length 100. Create line with length 50 and angle 125 degree. Create line to left, with length 70. Create line to bottom with length 100. Move cursor mouse to first point, hold. And move cursor to top until you see the reference line. Click, and connect to first point, enter to close. To create polyline object, type PL, enter. Specify first point on drawing area. Set length to right 100, enter. Set length 50, press tab button and set angle 45 degree, enter. Press enter to close. For practice, type PL, enter. Specify first point on drawing area. Move cursor to right, set length 100, enter. Move to bottom, set length 20, enter. Move cursor to right, set length 50, and angle 45 degree, enter. Move cursor to top, set length 50, and angle 135 degree, enter. Move cursor to bottom, set length 20, enter. Move cursor to left, set length 100, enter. Connect to first point, and enter to close.